Alright guys, code 43, misfire, Warren Distributor shaft. So we're going to remove and replace. Just a couple things. I like to mark, it's pointing at number 3, so I'm going to mark one there and then one on top. And then just for shits and giggles, we're going to go ahead and mark it right there. We got the screw down bolt out, so it's basically it's coming out now. Just twist it out, helps. You get some oil. Make sure you get the gasket right there. Anyways, there you go. 1990 Corvette. We're going to do spark plugs, wires, and the new distributor comes with a cap and rotor.